Well, good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning and it's going to be another lovely day. It's so quiet around here. Maybe that's something to do with being 6:30, but look at it, not a cloud in the sky. Ooh. Well, good morning. Another day, another dollar. We're in today.
Nice breeze.
Sue's doing $1. Yeah, it's a nice breeze today. Beautiful sunshine. Waiting at the traffic lights. Yes. Try it again. Just clicking. We're just waiting for the road to do.
Yeah.
Okay. As we go. I like that bit. Okay. This is just outside our hotel. So it's from the Gauntlet, but when we get to here, it's plain sailing then to the tram. So yeah, so today we're going to Brühl Castle and the other hunting lodge, Banford. I can't remember. I've got it written down so I can make myself look a fool by trying to say it in German when I'm ordering the ticket. Oh yes, we've got to pay for the ticket there, yeah. Combi ticket through Augustusberg and Banford, something like that. Right, so anyway, we're catching the train, we've got the tickets, and we've got the tickets to get all the way there without any problem until 6 o'clock tonight. And then we're going to be home, back into Cologne by 6 o'clock tonight, and the ticket runs out. So we'll give you more views now. So what's very exciting about coming to what's that? Sorry, wrong side. Oh, made a mistake there, chaps. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. So it's something very exciting about coming into an underground. Oh, the tram system, that is here. So, here we are, just walking through the park. The tram stops us over there. And now we're walking through the park, heading towards the castle. A beautiful morning on the 8th of May. It's not bad, is it, really? What this I do because of the bags list. Nice set of stones there. Nice set of stones. Got to really try to stop moving this camera so much. I'm moving all over the place. Right. Here, ladies and gentlemen, is a lovely set of forced perspective painted onto here. So this has got to be sticking out a little bit, isn't it? It's got to be sticking out a little bit. Of course it is, but no, they're flat. Yeah, I love that. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, this is a beautiful so yes, this is well worth coming to. Loads of lovely roses. Again, seeing it this time of year with the trees, it's just so beautiful, isn't it? Here it is. So this over again, this is Saint... no, it's not Saint, it's Augustusberg Castle. And a beautiful view down here. Beautiful. might be nice view around this corner. Well, nice. And the next side. Yeah, there's a bit of scaffolding up. But the gardens are going to be absolutely spectacular. So here we go. Now, you know, lovely, isn't it? Rather grand. I said the gardens over here is going to be absolutely to die for. But I'd imagine it's there you go in. Unless it's closed for today, I don't know. So there we go, we've got our English-speaking translation. It's a guided tour, and then around this beautiful building.